We can start now, madam.
Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No. Okay, so I'm there, and Ashwini, Dr. Ashwini is there, who's the TA for the course. So, is there anybody who would like to comment about the course, or does anybody want to say anything besides asking questions? We can put on the microphone if anybody will wants to say something. Yeah, would anyone like to say something? Kumareshan?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, go ahead.
It is a very, I think, great initiative for government, the course that they provided and the knowledge we get from these courses. And absolutely, it's going to be a benefit, and our student get benefited also.
Okay.
And something I want, like, know that
Yeah.
when I'm learning this, some concept like which I have already learned before in my MCA, but now when I'm going to relearn again, that some difficulty I face. So it's a very good thing that you initiate that interactive process is also there. So I want to know about something like in which we have I am facing problem like bias rules and some topic which I have learned earlier, but now that refreshment I need, that is that may be possible when we are interacting. That's why.
Yeah. So, yeah, while interacting, you could ask some questions. Another thing is, I would encourage you to also do some reading. Okay, we have suggested some textbooks and things.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you could do some reading along the lines that we have mentioned. No, like you can keep um, the slides which we have given as a background and read about those from the textbooks. So that will give you a little more, understanding about the concepts.
Yeah, but after a very long time, I restarted again learning. So some mathematical concepts literally I forgot. So I face problem in that implementing in that particular thing. So I think I have to learn again all the set theories and all the theories which I have not learned. So I take the help, but it is a very good thing that in once in a week, like we are getting this assignments and like lecture material also.
Right.
We are
Okay.
facing the
So,
problem with that introduction also.
so Richa, maybe you can ask a question. You want to ask any question?
Ma'am, actually, that there is a bias rule in which now we have cause and something effect like that I'm not able to understand when we have I have to apply the formula, that some problem I face there in that rule. I'm not able to grasp that in proper manner.
Okay. So it's a very mathematical concept, right? What you're
Mhm.
talking about. So it will take some time to grasp it, especially with you have done MCA, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what I would suggest is that you can go through that Russell and Norvig. There is one chapter on, decision theory and things. That's what you're talking about, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you could go through that, okay. Maybe also you need to decide at what level you want to do the mathematics, right?
Yes.
Because some people may not really want to go into the mathematics to that detail.
But ma'am, if what the problem, like I'm doing question, it can be in exam also, no? That's why I'm asking. So in this type of question can be asked in exams also.
Yeah, okay. So, in what way would you feel that we can make it clearer for you?
Right now, so can you give me some example for that? That how can we do that? And ma'am, the in college time, I also feel like some problem in when the teachers are explaining the algorithms and the symbols that were used with some at that time. Anyhow, we learn that and we memorize that. But now, as I am learning again, now, so I feel some difficulties in that algorithms.
Yeah, so what you're saying is that because the symbols change.
Actually, not symbols not changed, but what is the meaning of that particular thing is now theta, like we are doing that work, or what is the meaning of limit? Like in mathematics, I am not actually very good, but I've learned that. But now I forget the way how we are doing at that particular time when I was in college. So that problem I'm facing.
Okay, so the thing is, the mathematics is, I mean, it's a sort of fixed, it's the same wherever you do, whether it is in college or here or whatever, right?
Yeah.
So are you finding problem with the probability things
Yeah,
like belief
yeah, like
networks and decision networks and things?
ma'am, in which we have like the concept algorithm, worst case, best case, are we have to finding out the limits are there. In that particular area, I found that I felt it difficult.
Okay. Uh,
Hello, hello, madam. I
yeah.
am a Krishna, madam. In fact, I am a retired IT professional, and recently, for 10 years I taught electrical engineering. This is the first. I'm not a computer science student, but I had done
Right.
data science course. So this is the first time I'm doing a AI course.
So what are you doing now? You're doing something?
Now I'm guest faculty teaching adjunct faculty teaching electrical engineering courses.
Okay.
So I have done, in fact, on the NPTEL platform itself, I have done data science course, couple
Okay.
of courses. Now I think the first time I'm doing AI related course.
Mm.
In fact, I could follow it, even though there is a mathematics is there, but I think that is inevitable, right? In this course,
Right.
algorithms are inevitable. We can't avoid that.
You need to have some background in that.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So I find it's very smooth. Actually, I don't even have to refer the textbook, though I bought the textbook.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but if I recollect, actually, in fact, I said, Madam, are you from IAC, Indian Institute of Science?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I have retired from computer science and automation department.
Oh, in fact, I was also an old timer. 83, I did MTech physics there. So,
Do you
I,
remember or
yeah.
something? Do you remember me? No.
Which department, madam?
Actually, I was in electrical engineering first.
No, I was in the physics department.
Okay.
I know Narahari. He was my colleague.
Right, Narahari, yeah.
Narahari, Y Narahari, yeah.
Okay.
So Y Narahari and LM Patnaik and Tata Char, these courses were familiar, even though I haven't done it. Those are famous teachers those days. And Preeti Shankar.
Right, yes.
Yeah. Anyway, madam, so I'm doing it just for my own sake to keep update myself. So I would like to do generative AI also. So as a part of that, first I want to do this AI. Then subsequently I want to do generative AI and other things. But one thing I find is, but having done a data science course and then doing our course, I
Mhm.
think AI is a little older than data science, right? Because most of the algorithms and all that, those all search algorithms, breadth first, depth, greedy, those were all traditional. I
Yeah,
understand.
actually, you could say that AI is a mixture of different techniques.
Hmm.
So what you learn in data science will also be there in AI. You have machine learning also in AI.
Yeah.
So
Yes. Yes.
it's just a mixture of different areas.
Hmm.
That's
Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, I don't face any problem, so I could follow your. By the way, I think yours is the first run course, right, on NPTEL? Did you?
Raghu, you have some people. No,
Yeah, this is
Madam
my
was left up.
Yeah. So because I was trying to look for previous,
No, green tea.
I could not find. So that's why.
no, this is my first course.
Okay. I understand. So it was all good, madam. Good experience. I regularly follow. I'm doing assignments. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. So anyone else?
Madam, I am Jinsi and I want to know something about the examination. So we will be having elaborative exams or optional questions. Mathematical problems will be there or not? I just want to know the exam pattern.
You're doing the assignments, right, every week?
Yes, yes.
So are you finding the assignments easy to do?
Of course, ma'am.
Okay. So it will be along the same lines as the assignments, right? So you're going to also have again same multiple choice questions. And it will be along the lines of what you're doing now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah, anyone else?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
Ma'am, I'm Madhumita from Tamil Nadu.
Okay, what are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm preparing for competitive exams. So
You
along
have
with this,
done
I'm doing.
You have done your
Ma'am?
BE, is it? You have done your bachelor's degree?
Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. Hmm.
So can you please suggest some book for this subject other than Norvig and Russell, because it is quite difficult for me to follow that book.
I understand because Russell and Norvig is a very difficult book to read.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you go through it along with what I am teaching, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you do is, like I said, don't read the entire book from beginning to end, but only
Okay, ma'am.
what I am teaching you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I would suggest is, there is a book on pattern recognition by Devi and Murthy. That is actually, I'm one of the authors of that book. So for
Okay, ma'am.
things on machine learning, etc., you can use that book. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Machine learning and things like genetic algorithms and all, you have a separate book on genetic algorithms.
Okay, ma'am.
Goldberg, it's called, right? Goldberg is the author.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can go through the first few chapters of that, not the entire book.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, there is a book called Luger, which I have also suggested, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Luger is the author.
Okay, ma'am.
You can go through that if you want. Okay, but the best book is Russell and Norvig, as far as I'm concerned. Only thing is, it's a little heavy to read.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Mhm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody is suggesting I should teach on the board, right? Can you come and talk to me now? Chotu.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me who you are, from where,
Ma'am, this class is for AI, na?
Pardon? Can you repeat what?
This class is related to artificial intelligence, ma'am. So please teach some.
From where are you? What are you doing? Are you a student?
I am from Jharkhand.
Huh?
Jharkhand.
You're from Jharkhand. Are you a student?
Ma'am.
You're a student?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Actually, all the lectures have already been recorded, so it won't be possible to teach on the board for this present course. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have any other problem? Would you like to ask any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah, Richa?
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. Are you
Yeah.
able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go
Yes,
ahead.
ma'am. I am also a working professional and
Ah.
pursuing my PhD also. So it is a part of PhD course I'm pursuing this course. So I follow your lecture for them. For me, the way you explained is easy to follow. And
Mm.
assignments are also mostly 70-80% by your lectures. I feel I can do it.
Yes.
What happens with reading book, since I have less time with working plus PhD, it becomes I have and so many things, other things are also there. So for me, reading this Russell Norvig and other books, it's a little difficult. Your notes I read. So with that, the examination will be okay, madam, or I should concentrate more on extra.
Yeah, if you see the assignments, you're able to do the assignments just by going through what I teach you, right? So you'll be able to do your final exam also in the same way. I try to keep everything from what I have taught mostly.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. That is very helpful.
Yeah, if you feel any topic you're finding it little difficult, then you can go to the textbook. Otherwise, it's fine.
I took Russell and Norvig. Decision theories, I was finding it little difficult to follow while doing assignment, Bayesian networks. So
Yes.
I went through. I am coping up, but it gives a lot of comfort because you are saying that mostly you will be asking from whatever you have taught.
Yes, actually,
that concepts I'm following. Yeah.
If you see my lectures, you will find that I have actually taken things from Russell and Norvig
Yeah,
and
that I saw, madam.
simplify to some extent so that people can understand.
Okay.
Right? So you can just go through what I have taught, even that will be good enough.
Okay, madam. One request. I know it will be too much work for you. Requesting if you can give 1 or 2 sample question papers for that 50 marks or whatever it comes in NPTEL. 1 or 2, if you can share, if you have time.
I would like you to then look at all the assignment questions, right?
Okay.
Huh?
Any extra questions if you want to share, it will be helpful, madam.
No, every week assignment, if you're taking, it's very much typically how your final exam is going to be. Only thing is, it'll be like 50 questions, not 10 questions, and it'll cover all the topics.
50 and 10 means 50 that objective and 10 should be some sort.
No. You'll get only objective.
Okay.
You'll get 50 multiple choice questions, not 10.
Okay,
but typically the type of questions are like the ones you're getting in your assignment. Okay, so that you can take as the example, you wanted some examples.
Yeah. No, those I am attempting and I am regularly reviewing those questions also for enhancing my understanding. Those are really helpful. So thank you. That was my doubt that examination, because of my so many things, extra reading becomes a little tough for me being a working professional. So thank you, madam.
What I will tell all of you is, rather than trying to go to textbooks and read from different places, you just go through my slides and my teaching. That would be more than enough for you.
Okay, ma'am. Then I'll follow this because Russell and Norbeck also past few days I was reading. I was understanding, but yeah, it is little difficult to follow. Language is little heavy. But since I read after you have taught, so it becomes easy to follow. If
Yeah.
you read initially, it is really very tough.
Right. Yeah.
Correct. Thank you, madam.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyone else?
मैम नमस्ते मैम।
Yeah. Namaste. What's your
मैम
name?
मैम मैं संतोष कुमार यादव बोल रहा हूँ मैम, राजकीय पॉलिटेक्निक कानपुर उत्तर प्रदेश से मैम।
So you're a student there?
नहीं मैम, आई एम फैकल्टी हियर इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग।
Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
मैम मैं डिप्लोमा वालों को पढ़ाता हूँ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग में।
Okay.
मैम मेरा बीटेक भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से है, एमटेक भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से ही है।
Okay.
मैम हम लोगों के यहाँ जो न्यू सिलेबस एनईपी बेस्ड पे रिवाइज्ड हुआ है, तो उसमें कुछ कोर्स अदर ब्रांचेस में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पे हैं, उसी के लिए हमने इस कोर्स को किया है मैम।
Okay.
तो मैम हम लोग को नोट्स तो पढ़ लेते हैं, तो क्या मैम हम लोग को और भी किताब प्रेफर करना चाहिए, या नोट्स और असाइनमेंट्स जो आपके मिलते हैं और जो वीडियोज हैं उससे मतलब हम लोगों के लिए सफिशियंट होगा मैम?
Yeah, that just like I was saying, it should be sufficient.
जी मैम।
Yeah.
और मैम जो हम लोगों को कोर्स का पेपर होगा मैम, तो वो मैम असाइनमेंट से टफ रहेगा या मतलब लाइक एज असाइनमेंट ही?
You're talking about the final exam?
जी जी मैम।
It will be along the same lines as the assignments. Only thing is, it will cover the entire syllabus. Okay. Now, one assignment covers only that particular week, but in the final exam, it will cover the entire syllabus and you'll get 50 questions which you have to answer.
ठीक है।
Yeah.
नमस्ते।
Yeah. So anyone else? Okay, so what I would say to you people is, especially those who are still students and those who are wanting to study further, please study further, okay? Because nowadays just doing a bachelor's or is not enough. So I would suggest that such people should try for places, good places like IITs, IISCs, etc., and try to improve their knowledge. And even you can join for PhD if you're masters, right? So please look into these things. I think it's important for us to improve the quality of the students in our country, and it will be good if you try to improve yourself by going to good institutions. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, who is it? Is there anyone who wants to ask a question? So I don't know at what level your lectures are there. You've done up to 40 lectures, is that right? Till now? So you will be having some practical hands-on sessions after this, right? When you start doing things on deep learning, etc. Dr. Ashwini is conducting a few sessions on the practical aspects of it, like some hands-on sessions, which will actually help you. Yeah. Any more questions?
Ma'am, this is Naresh, working in IT, doing a PhD from NIT Trichy as part of my PhD curriculum.
Working in?
I'm working in Amazon.
Okay.
and,
So you're an external candidate?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing my PhD from NIT Trichy part-time. So
Okay.
I was very interested with your course.
Yeah.
Pretty much great learning. At least I felt great knowledge that I'm learning every day.
Okay.
Once you said that there
What's
will
your
be,
topic of research?
I'm doing on LLM adversarial safety. Basically, I work for a fintech org at Amazon. So
Okay.
I'm building a kind of framework which could secure the spam and fraud which is
Okay.
happening widely in the industry.
Adversarial networks.
Yeah, adversarial networks. That's
Okay.
right. ANNs. Okay. So my question is, when you talk about the practical sessions,
Yeah.
hopefully, I would expect that it won't come as part of the final exam because you don't have time to solve within that limit.
It won't come as?
Will that come as a final exam question?
No, no.
And
It won't
was
come.
not.
If it comes, it'll be just, it could come, but it could be just a, theoretical question.
Okay. Not like you solve the program or a problem or, write
No,
it.
no, we are not having.
That's what my question
Yeah.
is. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Really appreciate your support and the teaching. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone would like to just introduce themselves and say why they're taking this course or anything like that?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
my name is Shamal Kumar Shurai. I'm having a BTech from NIT Durgapur. Actually, it was RE College Durgapur. I passed 99 and I did the MTech last year. It's from the Jadavpur University. And I'm working in Cognizant, having 26 plus years experience in that stream. But
Okay.
I would like to do I'm fed up with the industry.
Yeah.
I'm saturated. So I would like to learn more. So although I'm working now, so as a working professional, I got an opportunity to get the admission in IIT Kharagpur as a working professional category for PhD candidate. So as a part of the this work coursework, I'm a student of your course.
Okay.
I
That's
really appreciate, ma'am.
good.
I'm
I'm
really
glad you're trying to do something so long after you finished your
yes.
studies.
Actually, my daughter is taking admission in BTech
Oh,
this
okay.
year in computer science, and I'm also doing. So,
Yeah, it's never too late to learn.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, I'm really I'm learning a lot of things. I'm following the Russell's book.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the only book I need to refer, right? So,
Yeah, that's the only book you need to refer. There are some
okay.
topics which are not covered there. For example, things like genetic algorithms. I don't know if it's been covered yet. You have things like genetic algorithms, strong intelligence. And there are a few topics which are not there in that book. Except for that, whatever is there, I think for that book is good. But I feel things like machine learning, etc. You could refer to some other book also. Okay.
Ma'am, there is one question about last assignment. I think there is some question confusion. I don't remember actually. I'm not in front of the system actually. So one question was like empty. I forgot that. So I think answer was kind of somewhat wrong. Or so can I send a mail about that? The assignment.
Yeah, you can if you please send mail.
Sure. Yes, yes.
You can
There
send
is a
it.
confusion happened.
You can
Then
send it
maybe-
directly to me. You can send
Sure,
me.
sure.
Okay. I'll see it. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate the course.
Welcome. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good evening, madam.
Yeah.
Myself, Dr. Pijus. I am actually teaching in a engineering college in Belgaum.
Okay. What is your
I have taken
subject?
this. Madam, I am in MCA department. I'm a professor in the MCA department.
MC, is it?
MCA, Master of Computer Application.
Oh, computer. Okay.
Yeah.
MCA. Okay.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay.
Just for refreshing the things, I have taken the course, your course. I find it very useful. Actually, what I think is that if I can get some case study material in that particular, the subject, if you can provide some kind of case study in particularly building the
I
logics
think
and all.
maybe you can look to the practical sessions.
Yes, ma'am. Prologue session, I think.
Okay, that may help you a little bit. Yeah, maybe I could have added some thing on applications. I'll try. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
To
That will
add
be very helpful.
something on the applications, or I may.
Particularly to understand the logic and the way the planning is done to build up the things, all these things. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so since the recording of the course is over, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
What I can do is I can just give a few applications. For example, in things like deep learning, generative AI, or even things like classification, etc. I think I have given. Is it in this area that you want some case studies?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think I have provided something. You please have a look as the lectures go on. Okay.
Yeah.
And after that, if you have some question, you can ask.
This is in the lecture number 8 or which lecture number? Now the seventh lecture number that you have submitted assignment. So there is another lecture that you have uploaded.
7 weeks. Week 7, right?
Week 7, yes.
Okay. Yeah, so it comes after that. All this.
Yeah, on the 8th.
Yeah, 8th, 9th, right? There's
Yes,
still
madam.
up to week 12. Okay.
Okay.
So you will find more applications being talked about little later.
Yes, madam. Yes. So I look forward for that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Deepthi.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm following your course here in US, and due to the time. Hello.
Yeah. What are you doing there?
I'm working here.
You're working.
Yeah, I've been working in IT since 18, 19 years now.
Okay.
And yeah, so I just thought to, upgrade myself towards AI, and typically I chose this.
Did you study here or in the US?
No, I studied in India.
Okay.
And yeah. So, yeah, I'm just here for the work, and I thought to upgrade myself to AI, and I chose this ISC IIT program because I thought that Indian education has no match.
Yes.
So
I agree.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's why.
Yeah.
And I'm following your course, and I'm submitting all the assignments actually, but I think I missed fourth assignment due to the time mismatch. And yeah, but other than that, I've submitted all the assignments. So I followed up with the support team, and then the window was closed for the fourth assignment. So and they said that once it is closed, you cannot resubmit it. So that's the thing. I wanted to know that what kind of questions, the similar type of questions would be coming in the exam, or like the coding questions.
No, you get similar type of questions. So we are not doing coding and questions on coding here. Okay. So it's more in the theoretical part. There may be some problems, but it will be mostly problems, not coding, right? Maybe things like in logic, etc. You may find some questions, problems, but there's no coding.
Okay. And the books to refer, normally I follow your lectures only, like the YouTube lectures. So other than that, the books to refer is at Russell and Norvig, and or like that should be sufficient, right? Or some
Yeah,
other.
that should be sufficient. If you want something simpler in things like machine learning, etc., you can try that pattern recognition. What do you say? Yeah, an introduction. I think it's called by Devi and Murthy. Okay, so it's a very simple book on machine learning. Okay.
Okay.
And you may not find some topics in Russell and Norvig. Okay, for example, things like even genetic algorithms you find, I think, but some things like swarm intelligence and some topics, it's something in logic, etc. I may have referred to other places, but if you just follow my notes, it should be enough. Or my what I
The
teach.
PDFs, the
Yes.
PDFs that are there, right? The
Yes.
lecture notes.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
And it has the practice sets also in that.
I have given one or two places some practice sets, but you can get practice sets anywhere. You just go onto the internet, right?
Yeah,
You
that
can
that I can
practice
get.
sets. Even multiple choice questions also you can ask for practice sets online, right?
Yeah, that I can
Yeah.
definitely get.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thanks. I'm
Thank you.
pursuing now 8th lecture. I just finished 7th yesterday, so yeah.
So 8th week, right?
Yeah, 8th week. I'll
Oh.
start 8th week lecture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so now like after working 18, 20 years in the industry and especially into development, I've been working into Java and other multiple technologies. But I think that, some like things are automated through chat GPT, but behind that are also algorithms that are running.
Yes.
So
So it's good to understand the algorithms, right?
yeah.
Rather than just following the tools or just using the tools. Sometimes people in industry just use the tools without knowing what the tool actually does. They just take it and you use the output, right? So it's good to know what goes on inside the tool.
Yeah, and the person who has built the tool has also done some coding behind it to build the tool. So
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm working here in the healthcare domain, and so I want to use this knowledge further to develop something for the healthcare.
Yeah, you could do that because there's a lot of for example, Ashwini is there, my TA, Dr. Ashwini.
Okay.
She's done work on using deep learning for ovarian cancer. So,
Okay.
yeah, so nowadays with these, especially with deep learning techniques, generative AI, etc., there's a lot of scope to do things in the medical field.
Okay. So now, after completing the course, if anybody wants to pursue the masters
Yeah.
in this, so which does it have any specialization or it's general AI?
So,
Like,
yeah.
hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
So, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you're audible. Yeah.
Okay. There was some problem with the internet connection, I think. Okay, so you can either join the AI course if they have an AI course. or you could even join just a computer science course in the master's, no? And in that, generally, they'll have some specializations, either in, intelligent systems or in systems or theoretical computer science, etc. So you can choose the appropriate division.
Okay.
Mm.
Normally, masters in AI is there, but within
Yeah.
AI, is there any bifurcation or specialization
No.
of?
No,
Okay.
no. You have to just take AI, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. It's really good learning from you.
Yeah.
Some of the concepts you explained really well in the videos I've seen with the examples, the propagation of nodes and all. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, Veenath.
Yeah, hello, ma'am. Thank you for this interaction. Are you able to hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. So, myself, Vineet, I'm from Bangalore, and I'm working
You're from?
in IT company from the last 20 years. Okay.
You're
So, as mentioned,
I'm not able to hear you very well. Yeah, can you repeat that?
yeah. So, I'm from Bangalore, and
Yeah.
I'm working in an IT company from last 20 years.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, as everybody mentioned, we are learning from the basics from you. So it's very good actually. It's deeply appreciated. Okay, now we know that how the machines also work, and you are explaining it very well. I just want to know, do we have anywhere a kind of mind map that how the things are connected and referencing to the each other? Because I know when you are teaching, you are talking about those, but this is a lot of things to learn down. So do we have anywhere kind of mind map? Yes, how it is progressing and how they are connecting all these things?
Yeah. So if you see, when I spoke about agents, you remember at the beginning? Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
when we talk about the agent, contains all these different, boxes which I had put, right? You have all
Right.
the AI techniques there, okay?
Oh,
Things, planning, classification, search techniques, okay? And finally, decision making. All these
yes.
things have to be combined together to form an AI system, right?
Right. Right.
Whatever is
Right.
required. So what we have done is basically split it up and learn each of these boxes separately, right? So we learn all the possible classification techniques. We learn all the search methods. We learn, things like that, right? So all these
Right.
have
Right.
to be combined together to form your AI system.
Right. Correct.
That's
Okay.
the idea. So what is missing for you, I think, is that how do you combine them, right?
Correct. Correct. That's true. True.
So if you go to the last lecture, right, which I'm going to give, which is on multiple agent systems, right? Going to be the very last lecture. So there I have actually taken examples and showed you
Okay.
how
So,
they have used these techniques there.
so that will be the week 12 or in the
Yeah,
week 8?
12. Week 12,
Week 12.
basically. So
Week
I
12.
think you still need to do things like, classification, machine learning techniques, deep learning techniques, I think still not completed, right?
Right. Correct.
And after that, there will be some other, lectures also in between, right? So this will be right in the end. It's just like applications.
Applications on
Yes.
applications. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you for your information. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
this is Shamul again.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, that fourth week assignment, the 10th number question was about
Question?
empty clause.
Huh?
Fourth assignment, 10th number question.
Yeah, about?
That was what does empty clause signify in resolution? So
Resolution. Yeah.
yes, I choose a false statement or contradiction, but it is telling that accepted answer is a true statement.
Okay, so what you're doing is you're using what is called the resolution refutation method. Okay.
Mhm.
There, what you're doing is you're taking all the clauses, okay, in your knowledge base, and you're adding finally the negative of what you want to prove, right?
Okay.
So when you add the negative of what you want to prove and then carry out resolution, right?
Okay.
So if you come up with an empty clause, it means there's a contradiction, okay? But the contradiction is because you have taken the negative of the what you want to prove, right?
Right.
So if you come up with that contradiction, it means the statement is true.
Okay.
Okay, that's the idea.
Okay, got it. Now it's clear now. Okay,
Yeah. So it's called resolution refutation method.
okay, got it. Somehow we missed that. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am, for clarifying.
Ma'am, this is Richa again.
Yeah.
Similarly, I had also one question in assignment 2. If B is the branching factor and M is the maximum depth of the search tree, what is the space complexity of the breadth first search? So it should be B to the power M.
The depth first search.
Breadth first search, madam, BFS.
BFS, okay.
So it should be B to the power M, right, madam?
What has been given?
Actually, the B to the power M was not very clear. So I chose some BM was written, thinking it should be B to the power M. But in this assignment, for me, marks was deducted maybe because of this
It should
question.
have been B to the power of, I don't know what was given. Was it M or D, the depth, right?
I think that option was not there. Even I tried that.
Yeah,
That
M
option
was
is
the
not
depth
there
first.
in that.
Okay, I'll just have a look at that. It's the assignment 4. Which was
So
assignment?
assignment 2, madam. Assignment 2, second question.
Okay. I'll have a look at it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Please, thank you.
And in case there is some error, I will ask them to give marks for everyone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, because I was in this, I did not understand.
So the answer should be B to the power of M or B to the power of B.
And madam, one more question.
Yeah.
Which is the search I read somewhere which goes into infinite loop if we don't give any if we don't give any terminating statement? That should be depth first search, right, madam?
Yeah. So you mean depth limited?
Suppose we don't give any limitation in that algorithm, it goes into infinite loop. That type of search should be depth first and not breadth first, right, madam?
No, breadth first also can go to infinite.
Okay, is it so?
Yeah.
Okay, madam. Then I think I have to understand the question.
So when it goes to
Richa, you were talking about this weekly assignment 2, question number 2, right?
Yeah. Initially, I was talking.
Yes, even I had the question to ma'am also. So then some one last option was like a blank. So
Yeah. Because
Thank
first and second questions were same in this, so that cannot be different. Answers cannot be different.
yeah, correct.
Would you like me to have a look at the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That would be helpful.
Just hold on a minute. I'll have a look in my.
So weekly assignment 2, question number 2.
No, it's okay. I don't have it. I don't have it here. It's fine. I'll have a look at it later.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyone else? Okay, would you people like to have this type of live session more, or it's not necessary?
No, yes, ma'am. If you have the questions, we can clarify also.
Okay, we'll have one live session before
Sure.
you reach the final, right? Before having the final exam, or when all the lessons are over. Shall we have one live session then?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, once the 12 weeks are over. Okay.
Yes.
Sure, sure.
Hmm. And I will see I have all the questions with me. Hmm. And maybe you can also by then see all your doubts. Okay, keep all your doubts ready.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Sridhar.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, external exam have total which question? How many questions, ma'am?
Pardon, I didn't hear you. Can you repeat that?
Ma'am, external exam have total how many questions, ma'am?
You'll have about 50 questions, I think. 50.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it will cover all the topics.
50, how many
Oh.
hours? 2 hours or 3 hours, ma'am?
I don't know. I think it's 3 hours.
Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, so the PDFs have been given to you, right? Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
Yes.
You must have got PDFs of the slides.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So Dr. Gomati, you have any problem? Can you tell me?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't download the PDF, so I asked, ma'am.
Why is it not possible to download?
And now I tried, ma'am.
So if you have any issues like that, maybe you can ask the NPTEL people, right?
Ma'am, pardon, ma'am.
But you have the PDFs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you can't
Thank you, ma'am.
download or something like that, you please contact the NPTEL people. They'll help you, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like to say thank you for this session. And
Yeah, welcome.
thank you, ma'am. Can I leave now?
Yeah, sure. Shall we
Thank
close the session? One last chance if anybody wants to say something, otherwise we'll close the session. Okay, we'll close the session now. Okay,
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.